My father, a church shoes, half button-up coat,
No gloves.
no gloves,
No hat.
no hat. Church shoes, by the way, and it's icy out. Clean out his car.
Yeah,
This is an example of hard-headedness. Don't try this at home.
don't try. Ever. Ever.
Ever, ever.
Look at him.
Look at him. Hey, Dad! See? He don't listen to us.
Yeah.
It's hard-headed. We got a little bit of music.
Yeah.
There's Mama.
Got my gloves on. I got
Can't
gloves.
see it because it's... Yeah. Think of Janetta.
She nearly.
Upset as always. There go Nevi. Can you see her?
She's not always upset. She just. Oh, what a cream. What a cream.
Who Jesus, little Kim.
Look at Jessica's hair. Isn't it pretty?
My mom and sister tried the curl formers. Team Natural.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Woo, woo, woo. As I see, it is cold. Look, the wind. See the ice by our house? It's crazy, y'all. Y'all stay cool. Well, warm out there. Alright? Look at him. Dad. I love this guy.
All right.
He's the bomb diggity. No diggity, no doubt. Alright, y'all. Peace out.
I hope he could get out.